Are you curious how the battery pack soldering together? Let's show you in this video. Every battery pack needs its own designed fixture to load the cells. Then, adjust the soldering setting from pressure and current to welding time, ensuring strong, reliable joints with minimal variation. Automation not only improves production efficiency, but also eliminates human error, providing outstanding repeatability from the first battery to the last. This level of precision is especially critical for medical devices. Combined with our rigorous quality inspection and full production traceability, we ensure every battery meets the highest standards before it reaches our customers. CoinCell Battery Solutions. Precision manufacturing, reliable power, trusted performance.